Hi guys, welcome back. So we are cooking today, guys. So I noticed our mat never wine since, so today must wine. Anyway, I'm using this pot. So guys, over here we have this chicken already washed and cleaned. We are going to arrange everything on this pot. We don't have our salad chicken anymore, so we are making salad chicken this time. So you have to fry this. So anytime you are going to be, when your mat won't move, so you go just come here, come take see the leg of chicken. I like leg of chicken so much. Yes, everything is here now. So guys, let's season this chicken. So for this pepper, guys, over here I have pepper mix. So this pepper was grounded with bell pepper, hot pepper, and then spring onions. It was so perfect, guys. I always use this for my pepper mix. So anytime I'm cooking anything pepper food, I used to add it, and then it do a great job. Like it had a lot of flavor, like to your food. So if I'm going to do it next time, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare it. So I always do it like this and keep it in fridge. So anytime I'm going to use like this, I come and take. So yeah, we are adding it for now. So next we are adding these onions. So I just grind these onions like this. I'll be adding the onions. So here we have no cube. That is not a chicken cube. Just going to add that like this. So I'll be adding this curry powder. Then adding thyme. Yes, we have salt to taste. And so yeah, I'm going to massage the spices and the chicken together before I cook it. Just like this. So yeah, at this point, the spices and the chicken has get combined. So yeah, at this point it's ready. So now we don't need to add in water. I'm just going to cover this like this, and then yeah. So yeah, at this point I'm done washing my dishes. Yeah, let's go and leave the chicken and see what it's up to. So yeah, I'm done washing all the dishes. Like the chicken is scenting so perfect, like aroma is everywhere at this point. So yeah, let's see. So look at that. Wow, this is just so gorgeous. So yeah, I'll be cooking with its own juices, and then we are adding in water. So this one is onions water. So yeah, let's stir that together, and then for the chicken to get the final cook. This is just so perfect, so gorgeous. So you have to prepare this for daddy for this weekend, guys. Prepare this, okay? Prepare it. So now we are covering this to cook for the final. So guys, the chicken is about to cook, but before that we are going to be adding oil in this pan. So this is boiler, guys. You don't need all day to cook. So yeah, so when it's getting ready, and we are going to be heating oil over here. So we have our vegetable oil. So yeah, just allow the oil to get hot. So over here I'm going to prepare noodles for my kids, because this is early morning. They have to eat their breakfast. Oh yeah, guys, let me bring the noodles. So yeah, so I just need to add the water in the pan for them. I add the oil. So next I'm going to be adding noodle spices. So I'm going to allow this to get well before I proceed. So yeah, I will allow the spices to get boiled first. So yeah, the water has turned to boil. I will add the noodles now. So yeah, this one is good for them. Just cover that to cook, and then here we have the chicken. The chicken is ready at this point, guys. So yeah,